Like the eagle, we must spread our wings and soar into the unknown. Clarify your vision to navigate life's challenges. Embracing the present moment like an eagle on a windy day, we find balance and poise. Let go of distractions to connect with your inner self. The eagle's steady gaze reminds us to stay focused on our long-term goals. Cultivate patience and persistence in the pursuit of your dreams. In the stillness of the forest, we can tap into the wisdom of the eagle's heart. Listen to your intuition and trust your inner compass. As we rise above the chaos like the eagle on wings outstretched, we discover our true potential. Dare to dream big and never lose sight of your vision. With each passing moment, we have the opportunity to reorient our perspective like the eagle adjusting its wings in flight. Stay adaptable and resilient in the face of uncertainty. In harmony with nature like the eagle in flight, we find our place within the grand tapestry of life. Embody the freedom and joy that comes from living in sync with the world around us. Through the wisdom of the ages, like the eagle's ancient eyes, we can see beyond the veil of the present moment. Look to the past for guidance and the future for inspiration. As we spread our wings like the eagle, we take flight into the unknown with courage and determination. Trust in yourself and your abilities to navigate life's challenges. In stillness like the eagle's nest, we find solace from the world outside. Take time to rest, recharge, and reconnect with your inner self.